Okay.
So let me share my screen. So screen కనిపిస్తుంది కదా?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right, let's start the session. So yesterday what we have discussed?
Variable, sir.
So variables can be created by mentioning the data type and variable name. To create a variable, you need to mention the data type
Data
as
type
well
and
as the
variable name.
variable name, followed by variable name. Now the syntax looks like this. Right. So data type and variable underscore name. Variable underscore. For example, here I will give some examples. Integer. Data type is integer here. And variable name is roll number.
Okay.
For to store character, there is a char data type. We need to use char data type. And yes name. If I mention some size, then it will become string. Next, float data type. This is average. Okay, float. Yesterday I told you the
Okay,
difference
sir.
between the double and the float also, right?
Ah, yes, sir.
Based on the precisions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there are some scope rules. There are some rules to for these variables. There are some rules, scope rules. We call it as scope rules of variables. Okay. What are the rules to declare variables? What we need to follow? The rules. There are some rules. The variable name. Right. The variable name should or must begin with an alphabet or underscore. Alphabet or underscore.
Underscore.
Just a minute, Amma.
Okay, sir.
Right. So variable name must begin with alphabet or else underscore. Okay, accept. Next, variables can start with underscore, but special characters. Okay, variables can start with the underscore, right? So variable length. Next, variable length should not exceed 32 character. Okay. So next, variable names should not have spaces. Variable names should not have spaces.
Spaces.
Space ఉండకూడదు. Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
sir.
it should not be a keyword. It should not be a keyword.
Keyword. Okay.
Keywords. I told you yesterday, na? Keyword means what? Reserved word. It is a reserved for some purpose.
Reserved.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
so I will write uh, table here, do's and don'ts mention here. So do's, don't. Number accepted. It should not start with digit. Okay. So this is not
Okay,
accepted.
sir. Okay, sir.
Variables can start with underscore. Underscore
Understood.
ABC accepted. Okay. Next. Uh, next, like XYZ also, like and what variable should not have spaces. It means that ABC space XYZ. This is not accepted. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Uh, these are the some of the next variable names should not have spaces, right? So it should not be a keyword also. There are some keywords, right? So int, float, double, for, while, these all are keywords. Okay.
Hmm.
So like that. Right. Next, consonants. Next we have consonant. So it is also a variable. These consonants also, it is also a variable. Constant is constant. 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 Right. Constant value will not change. Okay. Constant value will not change. If you try to change the value of constant, you will get error. You will get error.
Okay.
Okay. So right, we can declare constant in two ways. Actually, we can declare constant in two ways. Hmm. Now I will show you, give you example here. Example 1. We can declare constant with the define. Uh, Okay. So this we can create constant using define command. Okay. So we can create constant by using define command, hash define. Okay. Right. So example like uh, define pi value. What is the pi value? 3.14.
3.14.
Like this. So it is constant.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Example 2. Uh, creating constant, creating a constant using const keyword, using const keyword, like this. The constant space int pi equal to 3.14. Okay, if you don't mention this const, it will become normal variable, but if you mention const, now you cannot change the pi value. So pi value will become constant. If you try to change the value of constant, what you will get? You will get the error.
Error.
Okay. So in this way we can create constant in these two ways. Okay. Right. So note down these things.
Sir, by using define command also, it will remain as a
It
constant,
will
sir.
it will remain as a constant.
Okay.
Okay. Slash define followed by pi value constant. Uh, in Araku, it is raining.
Yes, sir.
From tomorrow, we are going to start programs. So by today, we will complete all the basics. Okay.
Okay, sir.
special character. Except underscore, it will not accept any special characters.
Okay. Okay, sir. Scroll.
Completed, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Can I scroll down?
Yes, sir.
Note down this const.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Let's move to the next. Now, identifiers. Right. So, how to identify you? How can I identify you?
By my name.
By your name, right? How can I identify whether it is a college or not? By its college name, like that. If it is a hospital, by its name. So when we are giving the name to the college, the college name should be ends with college, right? And
Yes,
we are
sir.
giving the names to the any hospital. We and the hospital it should we need to take care. It should ends with hospital, like
Yes,
university.
sir.
It should be ends with university, like that. So we can identify them with their names. In the here also, what do you mean by identifier? Means allocated the names allocated to a variable or constant or function or user defined function. Okay, so user defined function. Now I will give some examples here. Example 1. Right. So now I am writing here integer roll number equal to 10. Here, what is an identifier?
Mm.
So this is a data
Roll.
type. Integer as a data type, and 10 is a 10, it is
Number.
holding the value 10. So
Well,
it is a digit, and the name which you are giving, the variable name will be the identifier. So here
mm,
roll number is a identifier
ident-
of variable of the variable. So what is variable? This is the roll number. Here a roll number is a variable. So
well,
that is known as the identifier. Example 2. Right. Example 2 I am writing here slash define pi 3.14. Now here what is an identifier? Here pi
alpha.
is an identifier. Very good. Pi is an identifier of
Alpha.
constant.
Constant.
Next example 3. Here what is an identifier? See, I am writing void main open delimiter closing delimiter. What is an identifier in this case? Here main method or main
Mm,
function is a identifier. It is a function. Okay.
okay.
Okay, the name here main is a identifier of the function. Function means the group of statements that are used to perform specific task. So here main is a identifier for a function. Okay. So these are the some of the examples for the identifier. Right. So note down about identifiers.
Okay, sir.
Complete Anna?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next. Right. Next, keywords. Next, keywords. Right. So C provides already you know what is a keyword. I told you it is a reserved word.
Reserved word.
C provides 32 keywords. C provides 32 keywords.
Keyword.
And keywords are predefined identifiers also. Keywords are predefined identifiers. They are reserved for some purpose. For some purpose. Right. Next. The meaning of keyword cannot be changed. The meaning of keyword cannot be changed. Okay. Now I give a few keywords here. Auto, break, continue, case, care, constant, default, do, double, else, enum, extern, float, per, go to, if, int integer, long, register, uh, right, register, void, unsigned, while, like this, etc. Okay, these are the things I have remembered. Okay, these are the few keywords. Like this, we have 32 keywords. Okay, right. Note down these keywords.
Okay, sir.
Writing completed means tell me. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. అయిపోయింది.
Okay, Nana. Right. Next, format specifiers. Right. So now let's understand what is a format specifier. Uh, we have different types of parties kada. మనకి బీజేపీ లైక్ కాంగ్రెస్, బీజేపీ,
Yes,
ఆర్
sir.
ఎల్స్ టీడీపీ, దే హ్యావ్ సమ్ స్పెషల్ సింబల్స్, రైట్? వాట్ ఈస్ ది సింబల్ ఫర్ కాంగ్రెస్?
I don't know, sir.
Hand, right?
Okay.
TDP, it's cycle. Like
Mm.
YSRCP, its symbol is there, fan symbol. So
Yes,
like
sir.
that, for data types also we have some special symbols. Okay, we need to we have some special we have some symbols. Okay, for data types. Right. It is a special character. It is a special character.
character.
It always starts with percentage symbol. Okay. It always starts with percentage symbol. It is used to specify the data type. Which type of data type it is, we can specify with the help of these format specifiers. Right. So now I will give you example with the help of table here. Right. Now here I am writing data types and here I am writing symbol. Okay, data types and symbols. Right. Ah, now integer data type. The format specifier is percentage %d. Next float, we have percentage %f. FLOAT కదా, right. Next character data type, we will represent it with percentage %c. Double data type, we represent it with percentage %lf. Okay. Next we have unsigned int. It is represented with percentage %u. We have string, it is represented with percentage %s. Next we have pointers, it is represented with percentage %p. Okay. And we have octal, it is represented with percentage %o. And we have hexadecimal, it is represented with percentage %x, small x or percentage capital X. Okay. These are some of the format specifiers. Okay. Note down
Okay, sir.
and the examples.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now completed na. Now
Yes, sir.
we'll do one program. To do program, you need to download a software called Code Blocks. This is available in Google. So just type Code Blocks, download. So from this website, you need to download the software. So see here, left side here you see downloads now. So just click on
Yes, sir.
downloads. Now here you need to download the binary release. Click on binary release and you need to choose your operating system. Which operating system is yours? Windows.
Windows.
ఈ విండోస్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ స్క్రోల్ డౌన్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ మనకి కొన్ని ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో యూ నీడ్ టు డౌన్లోడ్ దిస్ ఫోర్త్ వన్.
Okay.
ఓకేనా? సో ఇక్కడ ఫోర్త్ వన్ ఏంటంటే మనకి సాఫ్ట్వేర్తో పాటు కంపైలర్ కూడా కావాలి. సో ద కంపైలర్ నేమ్ ఫర్ దిస్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఈజ్ జీసీసీ సి G++ G Fortran compiler. So I told you about the compilation process. So this compiler used to do compilation. So if you download only setup.exe, compiler will not get installed. So you
Okay.
need to install the compiler also with the this code block software. So you need to select this fourth option. See here, this one.
Okay, sir.
So just click on sourceforge.net. So it will download it into your local machine. Just double click on it and install it. Installation is very easy. I will share the my previous video. I think I have installed in it. సో ఒకసారి అది ఆ వీడియో అనేది చూడు, దాంట్లో ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ ఏ విధంగా చేయాలనేది ఉంది. జస్ట్ డబుల్ క్లిక్ చేసి ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయడం పెద్ద కష్టమేం కాదు. ఓకేనా?
Okay.
సో ఇప్పుడు లెట్స్ గో విత్ వన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. రైట్ ఏ ప్రోగ్రామ్ టు క్యాల్కులేట్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ టూ నంబర్స్. Sum of two numbers. Now, right. Now the code blocks icon looks like this. Just double click on it. Code block software will open.
Okay.
Right. Go to file. If you okay, just I am showing you. This is the okay. So first it will start with this statement. We need to pass. This is the first statement in our any C program. Next, void main, int main, or else main, anything you can take. Now, what is the question? We need to find sum of two numbers. First, we need to create variables to find the sum, and
Okay.
the integer data type I'm taking. Okay.
Okay.
So variable name is A, comma B. I'm taking variable names as A and B, and A and B are variables, and I want to store the result in R. Okay. For that I am going to create one more variable, that is R. So here what we are doing, we are declaring the variables here. We are declaring the variable.
Variables.
Once variables are declared, now ask the question to the user to enter two numbers. Enter two numbers. At last we need to mention semicolon. So what is this? To display message on screen. Okay. Next, scanf. Whatever the data that was entered by the users, that data we need to read it first. So percentage D. What is the format specifier for integer data type? That is percentage D.
Percentage D.
How many times I need to use percentage D? So 2 times I am entering the integer number. So percentage D I need to use 2 times. So comma, ampersand A, comma, ampersand B. At last mention semicolon. Now what we are doing here? We are reading the data entered by the user. Now what is the formula to calculate sum of two numbers? R is equals to A plus B. That is only na logic.
Yes, sir.
Logic. Here logic is R is equals to A plus B. Now finally we need to print result. Okay. So sum is equals to, I am mentioning percentage D, comma, where is the result? Where it is stored?
R, sir. In R.
Huh?
In R, sir.
In the R. Very good. In the R. So mention semicolon, and this is the output. Okay. Now at last return 0. So it will terminate the program here. Now run the program. Ikkada top lo chudu, run build and run undi kada. So click on it. Now I am going to enter. Okay, let me mention here semicolon, colon also. Okay. Now I am going to run the program. Now I am entering the numbers 50, 100. What is the sum of 50 and 100? It is 150. See,
150.
are we getting the output as 150?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this way, we can write the program. Okay, this is the sample program which I have shown you. Okay, this is
Okay.
the program. Okay, like this we do the program. So you can note down this one.
Okay, sir.
In this program, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Clear kada? అర్థమైంది కదా?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have any doubts, please ask me. I will explain you again. Okay na?
Okay, sir. Sir,
Amma, tell me.
sir, రిటర్న్ దగ్గర జీరో ఎందుకు సార్ పెట్టాలి?
It will terminate. It means it is we are stopping the program here. Okay, it is going to terminate the program here.
ఓకే సార్.
Program. If you don't mention return zero, also it will give you the output. Okay. So return zero. See here, I will show you. Uh, return zero means return zero is the main function. That means the program executed successfully. Return one is the main function, means the program does not execute successfully. There is some error. Return zero
ఓకే.
means the program executed successfully.
సక్సెస్ఫుల్.
Okay na? So that is
ఓకే
the
సార్.
meaning of this return zero.
ఓకే సార్, అయిపోయింది.
Okay, Amma. Tomorrow we continue. Already I have shared these notes in your WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yes, sir.
సో గో త్రూ ఇట్ అండ్ డౌట్స్ ఉంటే నాకు రేపు మీరు అడగండి, ఓకేనా? సో
Okay,
మీ
sir.
ఫ్రెండ్ని రేపు జాయిన్ అయిపోమని చెప్పండి, రేపటి నుంచి మనకి ప్రోగ్రామ్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి. సో
Yes,
వీ హ్యావ్
sir.
కంప్లీటెడ్ ఆల్ ది బేసిక్స్ అండ్ డే 1, డే 2, డే 3 ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేయండి కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అండ్ ఓకేనా?
Yes,
ఓకే,
yes, sir.
రైట్, కెన్ ఐ ఎండ్ ది సెషన్ నౌ?
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
ఓకే నాన్న, థ్యాంక్ యూ జ్ఞానేశ్వరి, బాయ్ అమ్మా.